Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. I've come here today just for a bit because the Easter was here last week, but back in Romania, where I'm from, Easter is next week. So why not show you guys how to make my little Easter mini eggs cheesecake. It was so yummy. I did made a few and I spread them around the neighborhood like I always do. It tastes really good. The pictures are on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on Rapid. But of course, I will take you step by step through the process. So if you like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. I do hope you're staying safe and keeping well. And until next time, guys, take care of yourselves. And don't forget, go bake an egg. Alright guys, so the base of the cheesecake. So I do have my little tins ready and my big tin ready because it's going to be a lot of composition, so I'm going to use them all. So butter them and then put a baking paper on top, and then I'm going to use the mixer, of course, to make the crust. So I have here, I'm using biscoff biscuits because I already had them and I don't have any digestive biscuits. You can use digestive biscuits, but basically you can use any biscuit you like. So 280 grams of biscuits are going to go in the mixer, and you're going to smash them up a bit. Of course, we'll add the butter after. So first we're going to smash the biscuits, break them up a bit before put the mixer on. So there we go. I smoothed it all out and I put in all 3 tins, and they're going to go in the fridge while we make the filling. So again, remember it was 280 grams of biscuits of your choice and 140 grams of butter. See you with the filling. Okay guys, so it's time for the filling, and the ingredients are, of course, cream cheese. I'm going to use a bit more than I should because I have 3 tins. So I have 400 grams of cream cheese, soft cream cheese. I have 140 grams of icing sugar, which I'm going to sift. I have here 600 milliliters of double cream. We're only going to use 550, and the rest 50 is just for the top so that the eggs can sit. But I'll show you at the end. And here I have 200 grams of eggs, Easter eggs, chocolate eggs, which I've cut in half. These should be fridge temperature, so I'm going to put it back in the fridge while I beat all this up. And then we're going to use half a lemon, or if you like it a bit more tangy, you can use the whole lemon. So first thing we do, we're going to beat up the double cream, but put the chocolate back in the fridge. next day, decoration time. Remember that double cream I kept from yesterday? And we have here some half eggs. I have 3 types, Smarties and Cadbury eggs, and these little ones are like very pinky ones. And I cut some in half and some I kept whole. And we need a spatula. And this is the little cheesecake, which has been in the fridge all night. You can see there's still little bits of eggs in it, so I'm really happy with the way she looks. The base looks very moist as well, just because I used biscoff, and biscoff is it's a very moist cake. So we are going to need just a bit of double cream on here, just because I need the eggs to stay on it and don't fall off. Yeah. Now, depending on how many eggs you want to put on, you can make this as big as you want here. So I plan on doing both. I'm not gonna set them, I'm just gonna put them random. The idea of this is to make a pile of eggs and to look very colorful as well. So try and, you know, play with the colors, play with the textures. Just needs to look like festive and sorry, not Christmas, Eastery. Okay, there we go. And then grab some more of here. I do have 2 little ones as well, which I'm going to decorate and just donate. But this one is for the collab. So this one is to look really good. This one is the one I'm going to use for the collab, so I want it to look amazing. Yeah, you can should we do a bit more of a pile now, like just on the middle here, because we need a pile. And then there we go, guys. You got your little Easter cheesecake with a pile of eggs on top, and I'm sure it will taste really yum. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.